So, ayan. Si Rusty, pumunta na ng bed. Mag-sleep na yan, si Rusty. Rusty. Are you tired? You wanna go to sleep now? Huh? Give me a high five first. Rusty, come here. High five. High five, come on. High five. High five. High five, Rusty. Come on. Give me a high five. Huh? You wanna sleep? Hindi siya komportable na may suot na shirt. Ito naman si Maxi. Maxi, let's go. Up here. Come here. Up here. Come here. Come here, Maxi, let's go. Ayan, sige. Ikot ka, ikot.